Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Dakota Brown Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got 18-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB Tex interior. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, a power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a dark oak wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, our radio, hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, cup holders, our pad for our infotainment center, dynamic settings for our different driving patterns. This GLC has 13,079 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.